How to create tasks in Monday.com. So the first step is by opening your web browser, such as Chrome, and then simply go to Monday.com. Once you have done that, simply sign in with your account. And then to create a task, you should have a board first. So click on this plus button, click on New Board, and then you may name the board Tasks. Make sure to choose um, the main one or private, or shareable. And then click on Create Board right here. Wait for it to load, and once you have done that, you may type in the task that you want. For example, you may choose this one. So you just simply edit it if you want to, and then assign it to the person that you want it to be done. So for example, this one, you may click on this plus button right here and search the name of that person. So again, you may do it on this task as well. Type in their name, and then you may change the status, the date, and also you may add another column if you want to. So you may type in or change the title of the task right here. You may also change the name of the task right here. For example, make a PubMat. Then I will assign it to one person. I'll just type in their name right here or their email. And then I will change the status and the date that the task should be done. So right here, you may change a date. You may also add a time right here by turning on this one and type in the time right here. So that's it. That's how you can create tasks on Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.